Wait, let me ask you something real quick. Have you noticed how everyone is talking about AI jobs right now, but nobody's actually showing you where beginners are supposed to start? YouTube is confusing, Google is overwhelming, and most AI jobs online feel unclear or unrealistic. So I started digging and I found something called Action Model. But before anything, listen carefully. This is not a get rich quick video. Not even close. This is about real AI training, real exposure, and real direction, especially for beginners and especially for people in Africa or anywhere structured AI learning is hard to access. So if that sounds like you, stay with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Let me be real. AI is not coming in the future. AI is already here. And right now, it's separating people into two groups. Group 1, people watching from the sidelines confused. Group 2, people quietly learning and building skills. And the difference is not intelligence or money, it's direction. You guys are very intelligent, you're smart, but it's direction. So what is Action Model? Action Model is an AI training and action-based learning platform built around large action model systems. Now let me break down that simply. Most AI tools like ChatGPT are built to talk. They explain, they answer, they generate text, but Action Model is focused on something different. It focuses on AI learning through action, meaning instead of just watching videos or reading theory, you're interacting with structured tasks that show you how AI systems behave in real environments. Think of it like this. Instead of learning how to drive by reading a manual for months, you're actually sitting in the car learning step by step. That's the idea behind Action Model. It's exposure, not just theory. But pause right there. I need you to hear this clearly. This is not magic. This is not instant income. And if you come in thinking, I'll join today and start earning tomorrow, you will quit fast. And I don't want that for you. What you should expect is this. You start slow. You learn how tasks work. You understand AI workflows, you build consistency, and over time, opportunities begin to open up. That's how real skill building works. No shortcuts, no hype, just progress. Now, let me say something important. I'm not here to sell you dreams. I don't care about hype platforms. I care about direction. Because too many people online show earning screenshots, but never show the learning process behind it. I will not lie to you, I'm also earning online, but we're not telling you everything. That's why I break down platforms like Action Model. The link will be in the description, so you understand what's actually happening in the AI space. So I want to explain something about the sign up phase. You can sign up using your Google account or your email address, but once you finish entering those details, once you're done entering those details, it would require you to put a referral code. So it is best to use my referral code, which will be in the description box below. Else, you need to go to Discord to get one for yourself. I'm actually going to get it for myself. So I'm doing you a favor by linking it in the description. Use it to sign up to this platform. So once you enter the referral code, then you're here on their website. You'll then be able to, finish up. But it is also important that you sign up to Discord if you want to. Again, once you sign up here, you're here now, getting started with Action Model. Finish steps to earn points. Kickstart your journey. Install the browser extension. You're going to be doing this work on your computer because you need their browser extension to do this to train the AI. Okay, so you need a computer because I know some of you will ask me if you do need a computer. You can't do it on your phone. You need a computer. Okay, so once you're done with these steps, you're seeing complete steps to power up your LAM. Okay, then feel free to take a tour. Welcome to Action Model. Watch this short video to see how Action Model works and how your action turn into real reward. Take it all, okay? Now this is going to be your dashboard. This will be your referrals. All right. I'm still going to get the extension a bit later. Or let me just do it now. I have the extension installed You can see that other details have popped up here. These were not here earlier, they are now here. You earn exponentially more by growing the action model. You earn affiliate commission and points from three levels of referrals. You earn from your 3 degrees when they earn from training LAM, browser extension, Action FI, completing bounties, Actionist Builder, building workflows, marketplace, revenue share, third level. Referral earnings will be here, affiliate points, everything will be here. Your reward per referral will be 5k points, so they pay in points. Yeah, I actually saw this platform somewhere, talked about by a Nigerian. Okay, and they said he pays Nigerians as well, and anything that pays Nigerians pays others. So I'm going to leave my referral link in the description. Feel free to check it out. Website, I haven't really tried it. I just signed up as you're watching me now, and after this video I'm going to actually look into it because I've been trying a lot of more, signing up to different AI training platforms because this is summer holiday. Summer holiday is just around the corner and I intend to work. I've signed up on a lot of them, which I'm going to be showing you guys in subsequent videos. Okay, so go check this one out. Check it out and see if it works for you. I was checking them out on Discord and a lot of people are there already. This is where you're going to train AI as well. I currently have 10,000 points. I've not really understood what's going on here. If I do, I'll let you guys know. If I do know how to withdraw the money, I'll let you guys know, maybe in a community post or in another video. Yeah, so just watch videos to learn about what they do here. But they train AI. According to the Nigerian leader I saw talk about it, said that you train AI on this platform as well and it pays Nigerians. But I'm still trying to figure out where the AI training section is. Alright? So guys, we'll continue to try. Now let's get practical. If you're serious about AI, stop jumping from platform to platform. Stop chasing fast money AI jobs and stop consuming random tutorials with no structure. Instead, do this. Pick one direction, stick with it, learn the basics properly, and build consistency daily. That alone puts you ahead of most beginners. Because here's the truth nobody says. Most people don't fail because AI is hard. They fail because they don't stay long enough to get good at anything. So, where does Action Model fit in? It gives structured exposure to AI training tasks and workflows, not a job guarantee, not a shortcut, but a starting point to understand how AI systems actually work. And that matters because once you understand the system, you stop guessing and start positioning yourself properly. Now, let's bring it home. AI is not magic. AI is not luck. AI is a skill economy. And in a skill economy, the people who win are not the fastest. They are the most consistent. So, if you're watching this right now, don't just scroll away. Start learning, start exploring, start building direction, even if it's small, because small consistent effort beats random motivation every single time. And I'll keep doing my part too. I'll keep breaking down platforms like this one and real AI training parts so you don't waste time guessing your way through this space. Now, tell me in the comments, do you want AI jobs for beginners, real remote platforms, or full step-by-step AI roadmap? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned because my next video might be the one that finally gives you clarity. I'll see you in the next one.